Regulators! Mount up!
Cheers. Hey everybody, Lewis here, Rshackbbq and other things. Well, today I'm going to do up a couple of ribeyes, and I'm going to do them up on 26-inch Weber kettle. And I'm going to be using this here. This is Fogo premium lump briquettes. I ordered these online, figured might as well give them a try, see how they do. So I'm going to get a chimney full. I'm going to get this charcoal lit lump, and we'll see how well they heat up the grill and see what kind of flavor we get with them. Got my fire starter here. Get it set down on here. Set that over there. You got a mixed variety of sizes here. See that? Put some bigger chunks in here. Nice. Fogo premium lump charcoal. Alright guys, you know, I get a lot of different gadgets and things that I buy, and one of the things I bought was this right here, the grill gun. I was part of their Kickstarter program, and let me tell you, I cannot recommend this product. You hook up your bottle to it, you open the valve, you can hear it, pull the trigger, nothing. And if it does light, it only lights a little bit. So I cannot safely recommend this product. I have had it for a few months now, and no matter what I've done, oh there you can see I got it lit there. And that's it. That's all you get. No matter how much you pull that trigger, how much you squeeze it, none. I've tried to reach out to them, no response. So I would not buy the grill gun. It's cool looking, but not what you want. This here, this is a Burnzomatic, mainly used for like welding supplies and things like that, for lighting your acetylene torch. That I would recommend. It goes right off. Tumbleweed going. And let's get our charcoal. All right, well, our charcoal is coming up to temp. What I like to do with our steaks, we have a couple of 1-inch ribeye, thick ribeyes here. I like to just take some kosher coarse salt, and we're going to put it over the top of these, just enough to kind of help absorb into the meat. We're going to flip them over. Don't forget to hit the back side. So, right before we put it on the grill, we're going to pat these the salt back off, and we're going to put another seasoning on them. So, as you see, I got dogs around here. We're going to hide these steaks until that charcoal's ready to come up. Rectech's a good place to put them. Let's set them in there for right now. All right, let's see how our charcoal's doing here. Look at that. So one thing about lump charcoal is it burns hotter and faster. At least that's my experience. Man, if you guys could smell this right now, oh, that does smell good. Fire. Look at that, the little tumbleweed didn't even burn all the way through. That's how quickly that charcoal got up to temp. Get them set over here for right now. Once we get the steaks ready, we're going to slide the grill grates over, get them over the coals, and then we'll reverse sear these steaks. That's the way I like to do it. So let's get the cover on for now. Notice that I have the vent away from the fire, so that fire has to roll up over the top and heat the grill, whole grill up. Okay, our grill is up to temp. Let's get our steaks. Been resting in there. Some paper towels. Just kind of dab it off. You want some of that salt to stay on there because that's just going to add some flavor to it. Alright, that's beautiful. My new favorite thing is this pan butter. What we're going to do is we're going to just give these a quick little spray across them, like so. Then we want to take our Pit Boss Chop House steak rub, and we want to put that on it, like so. Then flip them over. Hit the other side. So now what we want to do is we want to take our lid, flip it over, and take this, our little access door there. And I've got some Whiskey Barrel Drunk Chunks from Drunk Chunks on Instagram. We're going to put a couple of those down in there. You can see they're already catching on fire there. So let's get another one down in there. So we got 3 of those. Those left over. We'll move our grill grates to the back because we want those to heat up. Now we want to hit the front with a little bit of this pan. Ooh, look at that, that really catches on fire there. Okay, let's get our steaks in. Things laying out here. All right. So now we're going to let these go about 10 minutes, and then we're going to check them with our Inkbird quick read and see where they're at. We're looking for about 105, and then we're going to put them on those grill grates and get a nice grill mark sear on them. Okay, I got both vents open wide. So let's have a quick look. There's going to be a bit of smoke here. Let's just do a quick little read on these. So we're about 60 degrees on them. They got a little while. Close up and roll. Okay, it's been about 15 minutes. Let's take another look at these. Oh yeah, delicious looking. Zoom in on those guys. See what we got temp-wise. All right, we're right there. 108. That one's a little more. 109, 108, 107. All right, let's get these on those grill grates. See what we do here. Take our weight. Probably best to do this with a glove on. I'm going to hold it there for about 30 seconds or so. Rotate it 90. See if we can get them both on here. Something like that. Oh yeah. breath. Look at that. Seriously. Oh man, can't see it. There we go. Sorry about that. Look at that. Thing of beauty. Weight back on these. Notice I put the glove on this time. Rotate them. Flare up there. Okay, after we get this done, we're going to take them out, we're going to put them on a plate, and we're going to wrap foil on them. How is that? All right, let's cut into this steak. See what we got here. Oh yeah. Perfectly medium, almost medium rare. Let's cut a little bite with that sea salt, coarse, and then Pit Boss seasoning, chopped steak. This is gonna be good. Let's give her a taste. Oh wow. I love steak. Yes, I do. That's so good. Right amount of salt, right amount of seasonings. That chopped steak by Pit Boss, that's awesome. And doing that sea salt and then wiping it off a little bit, just the right amount of tenderness, that is perfect. I'm telling you, this is how you should do it. Now, of course, that's the way I do it. Saw what I did there. I took my charcoal, which is that Fogo lump, and it heated right up, man. That stuff lit and it took off. Even before that tumbleweed had been burnt all the way, it was going. Put it in my little charcoal basket, put my grill grates on there to start getting them heated up. Then I put a couple of those wood chunks, whiskey barrel drunk chunks. Check them out on Instagram. They're pretty awesome. I love those things, and that just gives a little bit more of a, smoke flavor. That's so good. Oak, so good. Anyhow, put the steaks on there indirectly. Put my grill grates over the charcoal basket, so they were heating up. Took about 15 minutes at that temperature. We were probably running, 350. Took about 15 minutes for those steaks to get up over 100 degrees. And then I took them and put them right on those grill grates. And you saw what I did. I just took that weight, press down on them for 30 seconds or so. And then I rotated them and pressed on them again for 30 seconds. Got those beautiful hash marks in there. then flipped them over and repeated that process. Took them off, wrapped them in foil, and maybe 5 minutes just to let them sit there. And I'm telling you right now, it does not get any better than this. And there is not a steakhouse out there that could do that good of a job. And you can just see the juices dripping off these things. They are so good. Anyhow, that's how I do steak. And I have to say, I do it pretty darn well. You know, like I always say, thank you for watching. You could do this too. It's not that hard. Until next time, my friends.